This presentation provides a comprehensive clinical overview of acupuncture, a therapeutic modality with its origins in traditional Chinese medicine. Today, it is a widely utilized component of integrative healthcare systems across the globe. We will examine its theoretical principles, procedural methods, evidence-based applications, and its established safety profile within modern medicine. The foundational principle of acupuncture is rooted in the concept of chee, which is understood as a vital life force or energy. This energy circulates throughout the human body along specific pathways known as meridians. According to this framework, health depends on the harmonious flow of this vital energy through all bodily systems. Within the traditional Chinese medicine framework, illness and physical pain are thought to arise from specific imbalances or blockages in the flow of qi. When this flow is interrupted, stagnant, or deficient, the body loses its natural equilibrium. Acupuncture aims to identify these specific points of disruption to address the root cause. The primary goal of an acupuncture treatment is to stimulate specific points located along these meridians to restore a smooth and balanced flow of qi. By targeting these precise anatomical locations, the practitioner seeks to activate and promote the body's own innate healing capabilities and return the patient to wellness. The standard clinical procedure involves the insertion of extremely fine, sterile, single-use needles into the skin and underlying tissues at precise acupoints. While the idea of needles may seem daunting, the experience is generally not painful for the patient. Practitioners ensure the highest standards of hygiene and precision during every session. During insertion, patients may elicit a characteristic sensation known as qi. This is often described as a mild tingling, a slight numbness, or a dull ache at the specific point of insertion. This sensation is considered a sign that the treatment is effectively engaging the body's energy and the point is active. To enhance the therapeutic effects, practitioners may employ additional stimulation techniques beyond simple insertion. These include the manual manipulation of the needles, the application of targeted heat through a process called moxibustion, or the use of a low-voltage electrical current in a specialized technique known as electroacupuncture to increase treatment intensity. Related non-invasive modalities are also used in clinical practice for patients who may be sensitive to needles. These include acupressure, which utilizes firm physical pressure on the acupoints, and low-level laser therapy, which uses light energy to stimulate the meridians. Both methods follow the same underlying principles of traditional Chinese medicine. Evaluating the efficacy of acupuncture presents unique research challenges for scientists, primarily related to creating a truly inert placebo control for clinical trials. Despite these methodological difficulties, a growing body of high-quality evidence now supports its effectiveness for several specific medical conditions, moving it further into mainstream clinical medical acceptance. Strong evidence exists for the use of acupuncture in managing various forms of chronic pain. This includes significant relief for patients suffering from low back pain, knee osteoarthritis, and both migraine and tension-type headaches. It is often recommended as a non-pharmacological first-line treatment for these persistent and often debilitating pain conditions. Beyond pain management, acupuncture is highly effective for managing postoperative nausea and vomiting, as well as cancer-related fatigue. It is also utilized to alleviate certain menopausal symptoms, providing a holistic option for patients seeking to manage the side effects of conventional treatments or natural hormonal transitions throughout their various life stages. Furthermore, acupuncture is frequently used as an adjunctive therapy to improve outcomes in female infertility treatments. In men, it is employed to manage the symptoms of chronic prostatitis. These specialized applications demonstrate the versatility of acupuncture as a supportive treatment alongside standard medical protocols to enhance overall clinical patient outcomes. Regarding safety, acupuncture is considered a low-risk procedure when performed by a qualified, trained practitioner using sterile techniques. The World Health Organization has established clear benchmarks for safe practice to ensure patient protection. Adherence to these professional standards is critical for maintaining the high safety profile of the therapeutic modality. Potential adverse effects, though generally mild and infrequent, can include systemic reactions like temporary headache, dizziness, or localized tissue injury. Serious complications are extremely rare when protocols are followed. The overall safety profile remains very favorable compared to many pharmacological interventions, making it a viable option for a wide range of patients. In summary, acupuncture is a complex therapeutic intervention with a distinct theoretical basis that offers significant clinical utility, particularly in pain management. When administered according to professional standards, it represents a valuable and safe component of an integrative approach to patient care, bridging traditional wisdom with modern clinical evidence.